I am showing the GoPro, the Hero 8 and the Hero 7 will need to be using your smartphone and the GoPro app in order to use GPS. You will not be able to use the desktop quick. It is no longer available for GPS until future applications are released from Legacy in the fall of 2020 for GPS. GPS is in and out, indoors. You need to be outside and allow it a good 1 minute minimum to lock. Before I go ahead and download the last video, right here you see that the teardrops where my fingers are at, they are on. There is no way you can see the actual GPS working on the main screen, but on your smartphone it is allowed. One day GoPro will go back to having the GPS located right there. It does not take up that much space. I have two other videos. I demonstrated the walk with GPS inside the house, GPS within 30 seconds, and now GPS at least a good minute to lock on. This is the iPhone 6 iOS application. It can only do 1080p and lower for video. 4K, you won't get this to work. And that is something that GoPro has stopped the Apple iPhone. Apple and GoPro, they need to get together and straighten things out. Within another 5 to 7 seconds, we'll be completed and we get back out of the screen. There's no got it button located here. So we're all done. We don't want to view media. We want to X out. We want to back out. We can now take our camera, swipe down, go to preference, go to connection, go to the on, turn it off, and shut this camera off. We no longer need to have it on. We hit the 3 landscapes. There's our previous video. We click it. We go to the pencil. You automatically will hear the sound when you do the stickers. My sound is muted. There is the stickers. You can add the GoPro logo at any given time. You used to be able to grab it and drag it. If you want to change that to a different location, tap it again and again and again. One more time, it will disappear. Speedometer to show me walking, to expand the size. No matter what you do, you won't be able to expand it. You can add the path, the way I walked, it'll add on top of it. You need to click again to bring it over to the side. And the speed and the altitude and the G-force. When you're all done and you click the check mark, if this is 4K video and you're going to now save it, this will crash. It will crash all the time. Hit the save, 1080p, doing its job. You hit the download, save to the photos. Ooh, even at 1080p, it does not like it. So with the GoPro at 1080p, it is an issue. So I hope you all can enjoy your GoPro product. Not the best product in the world. Always with the bug and issue. Never know what you're going to get with GoPro.